In this tutorial you will learn how to use the e-learning module. Click the e-learning module from the menu and choose Add Online Learning. Before you can create an online learning record, you must have first created a course under the training module by clicking Add New Course. The course will be displayed when you click the drop-down list of the course field. Secondly, if you are using a media clip, please be sure that your media clip is prepared and ready for adding to the e-learning record. Give your e-learning item a name. This is the online learning title. If you are using YouTube, you can type the online learning link here, or if you have an internal address to provide here, then you can also include it here. Please see also the video on how to create a YouTube clip as an online learning link. Frame width and frame height. Just as a standard rule, most frames have a width to height ratio of 4:3, so select a frame size that is suitable for the bandwidth that your audience will be using. Otherwise you can leave it blank. If you require your video to pop up in its own window, tick the pop-up window option. Another part of the e-learning module is the use of a questionnaire. You will learn how to set up a questionnaire in the next step. Type a pass mark without the percentage sign. Select a training outcome and indicate if the training must be completed in a certain number of days. And then click Questions. In the questionnaires section, a new questionnaire can be added by clicking the plus sign. Use one that's existing by clicking the Edit. Complete the questionnaire fields as a title for the questionnaire, the type of questionnaire it is, in this case it would be an e-learning item, and if there's any other help text that you'd like to supply as well. Is the questionnaire able to be used as an active, and is it mandatory, must it be completed? And if there are multiple questionnaires, you can indicate a sequence number here for each questionnaire to ensure that they are completed in sequence. Click OK when you're finished. With the questionnaire select, on the right hand side you will then see the questions that are a part of the questionnaire. To add a new question, click the plus sign, or to edit an existing question, click the Edit button. Type a name for your question. Choose the type of questioning. Will it be multiple options or a single option, as in a yes or no? Provide the two options, yes or no, and indicate which of the two options is the correct one. To add more options, click the plus sign. To edit any selected rows, click the pencil icon, and it's important that you must save after every change to a row. To cancel the changes you've made, then click the Cancel button. Provide additional help text, just type in here. Is the question an active question? Can it be seen? Is it a mandatory question? And if you have a preference about which sequence the questions will be offered, and put a number in here. Show how you would like your questions to be laid out, horizontal or vertical. And if the person answers the question correctly, then provide a comment that you'd like to display, and also for the incorrect one. Click OK. Once you are finished, then you can return back to your e-learning module and the questions will be available. The next step is to add people to your online learning. This is going to send a request to a person to complete the online learning. Click the Add People option. Once ticked and press Save, this request to do the training will appear on the dashboard. Click the e-learning All Online Learning to return to the list. As you can see in this example, this employee is required to do the Risk Manager training, and it is due to be completed on the 15th of December 2016. Instructions on how to complete the e-learning module will be explained in another tutorial.